In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete completed tasks in Google Calendar. If you use Google Calendar to manage your to-dos, you've probably noticed that completed tasks don't automatically disappear. Over time, that list can get pretty long and cluttered, which makes it harder to focus on what you still need to do. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly find your completed tasks and delete them so your task list stays clean and easy to manage. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Along the right-hand side of the screen, or near the top depending on your layout, you'll see different views like day, week, and month. What you want to do is switch from your normal calendar view over to the dedicated tasks view. Look for the option that says tasks, and click it. This tells Google Calendar that you want to focus specifically on your task list rather than your regular events. Once you're in the tasks view, you'll see your tasks grouped by status. There will be a section that shows the tasks you've already completed. Look for the label that says completed and click on it. When you do, Google Calendar will expand that section and display all the tasks you've marked as done. This is really useful because it pulls everything into one place, even if those tasks were originally spread across different days. Now that you can see all your completed tasks, it's time to remove the ones you no longer need. On the right side of each completed task, you'll see a small trash can icon. This icon is the delete button. Take a moment to scan through your list, then move your mouse over the task you want to remove and click the trash icon. Google Calendar will delete that task from your list. If you have several completed tasks you want to delete, just repeat this process, clicking the trash icon for each one. Keep in mind that once a task is deleted, it's generally not easy to recover, so only remove items you're sure you're done with permanently. By regularly switching to the task view, opening the completed section, and using the trash icon on the right, you can keep your Google Calendar tasks organized and focused only on what still matters. This simple habit will make your calendar feel less overwhelming and help you stay on top of your current priorities.